In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a Message Us button to your website, mobile app, or help center. This button will only work for a channel at a time. It will be linked to the WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or Apple Messages for business channels you've added to your account. To do this, open the product tray, then click Admin Center. Open Channels. Then, under Messaging and Social, click Messaging. Next, click the channel you want to configure, and click the Message Us button tab. Select a color and a size of your choice. Enter values for the corner radius, for the width, and you can change the label of your button. After your customization is complete, copy the code from the code snippet section. You can paste this code into the source code of your website, mobile app, or help center. To add the button to your help center, open the product tray, then click Knowledge. Finally, click Knowledge Admin. In the sidebar, click the Customize Design icon. Below the theme you want to edit, click Customize. Then click Edit Code. You can add the button to any template of your help center. In this example, add the button to the header so it shows at the top of each page. Click header.hbs. Paste the code snippet before the template's closing tag. Then, click Publish. To see the result, click Preview. The button will appear on the corresponding page corner of your help center. Thanks for watching.